I stopped my no coat here in this situation because if I take it right down to here, I got big buildup around the bottom to try to square it up. If I cut it off here, I can shape it up this way, level it out, and carry on and maintain the same edge at the bottom. I think a lot of tapers probably wouldn't quite understand what I'm doing in here. I coated this whole thing out first, then put my no coat in on top of this mess that was in here. See, and then I skimmed out my no coat with 20 till it was
shaped, right?
Yeah, it doesn't even need skimming. And if you notice, I always keep the blue line visible. It's one of the indicators, you know? So you keep that blue line and you keep your straight line. As soon as you got mud going in there, you lose the beauty of that perfectly straight line. Yeah, well, one of the things I do, if I do have to coat right into it, I make sure I get it back so you can always see that blue line. Oops. So you don't see it, you don't see the blue line down at the bottom because I left that no coat 6 inches from the bottom so I can blend it down without building out the bottom bead, right? Look at that, Steve. Skylight.